Recently we moved my son Alex's gaming setup upstairs into the loft, where we had recently painted a wall and bought some new furniture and kind of just made it a nice gaming and hangout area. But what I really wanted to do was also upgrade Alex's desk. He's currently using one of these hand-me-down desks, this one specifically from his mom. It's not a great surface for him to do homework on because it's got ridges in it. Overall, the desk is super cramped, certainly due for an upgrade. So with the help of today's video sponsor, FlexiSpot, who sent over one of their awesome sit-stand desks, you'll come along for the journey as we assemble it and find out what kind of upgrade it really is. Let's get into it. Let's start out with the overall assembly for the FlexiSpot desk. It came with almost everything necessary to get this desk put together. So it came with these three little hand tools here, and then the only other tool that you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I used a drill here because it's easy to put the Phillips screws into the underside of this hardwood top rather than doing it by hand. So a much easier process if you got a drill at hand. Another thing that complemented the easy assembly of this desk is the clear and easy to read instruction manual supplied. You can see we've got nice clear illustrations. And then the hardware as well all came in little labeled bags, which make assembling this desk quick and easy. Overall assembly time, just myself, one person, only took about 30 minutes to put this whole desk together. So quick and easy, painless. I also love that the boxes were well packed and well protected against any sort of shipping damage that may have occurred. Let's talk some specs with the FlexiSpot desk. Overall working area on this model is 48 inches by 24 inches. Maximum weight capacity to lift is 176 pounds. Alex here weighs about 65 pounds. I'm not sure what the monitor and keyboard weigh, but not a whole heck of a lot. But as you can see, it's lifting Alex without any sort of issue. Maximum speed for this desk is 0.6 of an inch per second. Minimum height is 28 inches, and maximum height, where Alex is now, is 45 inches. After assembly was complete, the first things that we did was set our height adjustments. So the FlexiSpot desk has 6 different buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 of them are associated with height settings. So it's really cool. We've got a little standing person here to represent your standing height, a sitting person for your sitting height, and then a 3 and a 4, so a third and a fourth height adjustment, which is super handy if you've got more than one person utilizing this desk, or if you're just one person and you need 4 different adjustment levels. The desk has a clear and easy to read LCD, which indicates how many inches off the floor your workspace or work tabletop level is at, so 31.4 inches. It also features collision avoidance, so there's 4 different levels. 0, collision avoidance off. 2 is a medium setting, and 3 is a high setting. And you can change or cycle through the settings by pushing these 2 adjustment buttons and holding them for 3 seconds at the same time. Overall, I can't express how satisfied we are with this desk. Especially, we really love the hard rubber wood top. Interestingly, the rubber wood tree is a sustainable tree which produces latex and is then harvested when it's reached the end of its life cycle. It's really awesome to see some sustainable options like these offered from FlexiSpot. While the desk itself doesn't ship with much more than a handful of cable clips for power cord management, there are an absolute bevy of desk accessories offered by FlexiSpot, from cable trays, drawers, monitor mounts, casters, and even a foot hammock. Stability-wise, the desk is very sturdy, feels really good, likely due to the wide stance of the included feet. Do I have any gripes about the FlexiSpot desk? Realistically, I don't. I feel a little sheepish about what I spent on my own sit-stand desk just a couple months ago. Had I known about the build quality and the accessories offered from FlexiSpot, I think my decision would have been very different. With our desk upgrade complete, I can't wait to watch Alex enjoy hours of gaming on his new FlexiSpot desk. Thank you, FlexiSpot, for sending over this amazing desk upgrade. You too can grab your very own FlexiSpot desk with the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.